Hello everybody. In our previous lecture we have discussed different kinds of languages. Okay, like first one is talking languages. Okay, then second one programming languages, and third one is formal languages. So regarding talking languages, what we have discussed, they are used to make communication between two persons. Okay, regarding programming languages, two different categories we have discussed in last session. That is, first one is assembly level language and second one is higher level language. C++, Java. Okay, these are higher level languages. Okay, and at broader perspective, programming languages are used to make the communication between person and machine, or person and computer. Okay, and regarding formal languages, what I said, formal languages are used by the models of the computers. Okay, and throughout our syllabus we are just dealing with what we are just dealing with uh, just a minute. Throughout our syllabus we are just dealing with this third set of languages. Okay, that is formal languages. Okay, as I said earlier, in this subject we are not going to learn any new programming language. Okay, we are not going to write any program. Okay, but throughout this subject we are dealing with what, formal languages, and we'll just try to solve some problems. Okay, we'll try to design some sort of models using formal languages. Okay, now see, from now onwards we will just discuss a few terms. Okay, see, one point I just want to clear is this is again a mathematical subject. Okay, logical subject like discrete mathematics. Okay, this is not a theoretical subject. Okay, we have to solve lot and lots of problems. Okay, so initially in the initial part we will just discuss theory that we will require. Okay, for finding the answers of given problems. Okay, so theory means what, some terms they have mentioned, we have to understand their meaning, and then we have to decide how to apply those terms while getting the solution of the problem. Okay, so from this session onwards we will just discuss the terms that we must know for finding the solution of the problems. Okay, later on. So these terms are, see, very important. Okay, you, if you are not comfortable with these terms, then you will not be able to find the solution for the problems. Those we will discuss in our further sessions. Okay, and see, in a 80 marks paper, for around 60 to 65 marks there will be only problems in this paper. Okay, so I request you all to please concentrate on the basic terms that we will discuss from now onwards. Okay, those will be helpful for getting answers of the problems that we will discuss in subsequent session. Okay, so first term that we will discuss here is alphabets. Okay, alphabet, see, we are quite familiar with this term as from English point of view. Alphabet in the English, see, before going in detail of this term from TCS point of view, initially we will just discuss general meaning of alphabet. Okay, see, when we listen this particular term, the first picture that come in our mind is alphabet means it may be A. Okay, A, then B. Okay, so C, and so on. So such how many alphabets are there in English language? 26 alphabet. Okay, but see, in TCS we are using this particular term alphabet with some different meaning, slightly different meaning. Okay, so alphabet means not only A, B, C, D of English. Okay, in TCS alphabets is having its own meaning as far as TCS is concerning. Okay, now let us discuss definition of alphabet. Okay, what is the definition of alphabet given? Alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols. Finite non-empty set of symbols. Okay, and it is denoted by using, see, again these letters are also important in TCS. Okay, you must be familiar with this letter. Alphabet in TCS is denoted by using this symbol. See, this one, this is called as sigma symbol, Greek letter sigma. Okay, Now let us concentrate on the definition of this alphabet once again. What I said, what is alphabet? It is a finite then non-empty set of symbols. Okay. Now as I said earlier, okay, in our first session we have already discussed point that uh, prerequisite for TCS is DM, discrete mathematics, and in discrete mathematics we have already discussed what exactly set is. Then we have already also discussed what is finite set, what is non-finite set, what is empty set, what is non-empty set. Okay, so you must be familiar with those terms. Okay, so let us revise first term, that is general set. What is set? What do you mean by set? Set means it is a collection of elements or collection of objects. What I said, what is set? Set is a collection of elements or collection of objects. Okay, what is finite set? As the name suggests, finite set will contain finite number of element in it. What is non-finite set? Non-finite set will contain infinite number of element in it. Okay, what is empty set? Empty set means it will not contain any element in it. It is also called as what? It is also called as null set. Okay, so these terms we have already discussed in discrete mathematics, right? Now here see, in the definition of alphabet, what is given? Alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols. Okay, means alphabet means not only A, B, C, D and so on of English. Okay, in TCS alphabet means what? It is a finite non-empty set of symbol. Okay, and it is denoted by using this Greek letter sigma. Now if you want examples of alphabet, see this is one alphabet sigma. It contains how many element? A, B. So how we can apply this definition on this alphabet? uh, it is a finite set. Yes, it is a finite set because in this set only two elements are given. Whether this is a non-empty set? Yes, this is a non-empty set because two elements are present. Okay, so this is finite non-empty set of symbols. So what symbols we are using? Symbols are character here as far as first example is concerning. Okay, so this is one alphabet. So second example is given is, say in second example 0 and 1 is there. Whether this is a alphabet? Yes, this is alphabet. Why this is alphabet? Because this is a finite set. Why this is a finite set? Because it contains only two elements. Okay, whether this is a non-empty set? Yes, this is a non-empty set. Okay, why? Because two elements are there, but this time elements are what? Elements are number. In first example elements are character, and in second example elements are number. Getting my point? So as alphabet means what? One more example is given, that is again a character set. Okay, I, J, K. So here in general symbol term is used, symbol. Okay, so symbol means it may be character, it may be number, or it may be special character and so on. Okay, so what is alphabet? Alphabet is a finite set of symbols in TCS, in theoretical computer science, in our subject. What is alphabet? It is a finite non-empty set of symbols, and it is denoted by using what? It is denoted by using letter sigma, and these are some examples mentioned. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. So in this session we have discussed what exactly alphabet is. If you find any difficulty in understanding any point, then you can drop me a message on Google Classroom or as well as on WhatsApp. Okay, so that's all for this session. Remaining part we will discuss in our next session. Thank you.